What size port is
Hey,
this?
I'm not even gonna lie to you, man. I bought it off my buddy and slapped it in here and tuned the amp. That's all I did.
Really? Wow. That's cool though.
I bought this up.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I like him.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, nice. So this is, tell me all the equipment and all that in here.
So, I got DS18 Neos in the doors, just 2 6.5s. I got a JO 400x4, 400 watt amp, and I got a cab car audio bargain 2K. I think it's wired at 1. So I just put it on the thing. It's at 1.2 right now, and just one control to 12.
Dual 2?
Yep.
Wired to 1 ohm.
Yep.
Okay. Any electrical upgrades?
No, none.
Stock? Did you do big 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got big 3 done.
But I'm about to get a Metman alternator here soon, so.
Okay, that'll help.
Yep.
Do you have any voltage monitor stuff?
I do have one at the house. I'm about to wire it in here. I don't have it yet, though.
All right, awesome.
But that's pretty much it.
All right. Demo time. Oh, what is it box tuned to?
I put it on the hertz sweep, and it likes about like 36 or so.
36. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you meter it yet?
No, I have not metered it.
So you just know it peaks at 36.
The guy in Sean's truck's about to build me a box tuned to 31. Then that happens. I'm gonna do all the electrical first, then I'm gonna get it metered.
All right.
Yep.
You'll like a custom box.
Yeah. Oh yeah. For sure.
It likes the, what, 41, 42 hertz there?
Roughly about there. It's like high 30s, very low 40s.
Low 40s.
Yeah, when I get that box tuned, I get it built by him probably been like this week or so.
Yep.
I'm gonna do 0 gauge. I'm getting an excess lithium power battery. Probably I'm not sure which one it was. It was over at the store at Hurricane.
It'll definitely help though. So you're gonna get a lot
sure.
louder. You'll be more output. You'll have probably a little bit musical box. It'll be built to specs to the sub.
Right.
Yeah. So it'll definitely give you better output. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Presley.
Presley. Jacob.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for the demo, Presley.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. What vehicle?
1999 Chevy Silverado.
Chevy Silverado. All right.
Yes, sir, man.
You have a good day, man.
You too,
yes,
man.
Sir. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
What size port is this?
I'm not even gonna lie to you, man. I bought it off my buddy and slapped it in here and tuned the amp. That's all I did.
Really? Wow. That's cool though.
I bought this up for $300.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet.
Oh yeah. Now the dust cap is bent, but I'm about to get a new dust cap for it.
Okay.
But it ain't blown at all. It's brand new.
Nice.
Yes, sir. And I gotta upgrade this wire back here under the hose.
So my nigga chill with me. Them niggas that pop in the back don't say nothing. Them niggas are kill for me. Back as I can in my sleep, on fleek. And niggas spit on that daddy for me. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree. How about the frog and leave? I put numbers in the family. My bitch, she walk around like she Chris Jenner. I used to work in the Emma. Then take out running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mantle. Mama said she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a minor symbol. Walking with the rest, I'm looking crippled. Fuck on that big in that temple. A nigga for me to take pictures. Not for my leg, but I cripple. Double my couple or triple. Boss on my body, no typical. I'm not your average or typical.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.